Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back in this sessions again. And as per last discussion, guys, we have completed like end-to-end front-end setup, like template, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, everything we have completed along with the template inheritance concept, guys. Okay, so now let's move further. Let me run that project, guys. This is our student management system. That what we are working right now, like how you can manage the student data. Our main focus is for this project till now whatever we have discussed, so just we are putting in the same place, and we are going to work on that project. Okay, so let's run it and open this one into the Visual Studio Code, the code dot. Okay, now our code is going to open into the VS Code here, so we can see here this is our project name called as student management